Okay students, welcome back to the online class of economics class 10. In the last class we have discussed many topics. Mainly we have discussed two important topics. That was about the first topic was about development. What is development? Why development goals are different from person to person? And the third topic was that development for one person may not be development for the other. Why? These three topics were discussed in the first class. I hope you understood. You are able to understand all of these topics. Today we are going to start another topic. Continuation. What is that? Income and other goals. Okay. Commonly when we talk about development, the main fact related to development is income. Commonly people believe that having more income is an indicator of development. Okay. Commonly we talk about development, the people say regular work, that is the first topic. Regular work should be there. It is a part of development, they say, regular work. Second topic is better wages. For work they should get better wages, high wages. And third topic is that equal treatment in the society. Better price for their crops. That is the third topic. Better price for their crops. So these three were or are the common topic when we talk about development, which comes forward. Okay. Better wages, better price for their crops, and regular work. These are the main topic. But some other topics are also there. These three are connected to income. These three are connected to income. Okay. Now what we are going to say is material goods, that means income is or some other things are not enough to live well. We need more things. Okay, not only income, we need some other things to live well. So what are that or those other things that we are going to see that. Okay, that means income के अलावा और क्या हो सकता है और क्या चाहिए हम लोग को डेवलपमेंट के लिए. That is the main topic. Okay. So the first one is that equal treatment in the society. Okay. Equal treatment. You know that Indian society, not only Indian society, when we talk about Indian society, racial discrimination, caste discrimination, these are common in the societies all over the world. Our society is especially in Indian society is unique in the matter of caste discrimination. So in a developed state there should not be any such discrimination. That is why the people, they want or they demand what? Equal treatment in the society. All people should treat equally. Our constitution also gives such a right to us, equal treatment. But in the common society we do not get equal treatment in the society. So in a developed society people demand for equal treatment for each and every groups of people, men and women, okay, aged people. Okay, there shouldn't be any discrimination on the basis of color, skin color, their caste, religion, etc. Okay, so other than income we need one more topic. What is that? Equal treatment in the society. It is also a part of development. Okay, another one is freedom. We need freedom. Okay. Freedom in the sense we are free to choose our profession, we are free to choose our religion, we are free to choose what we want to study, and we are free to choose the place of our living. So already you studied these things in the lower classes, that we are given, the people are given, not only in our country but also everywhere in the world, they are given a lot of freedom. So developed country should be a country where people are given a lot of freedom. Some countries are there where people are not given freedom, then how can we call that country as a developed country? That is the question. Okay, so freedom should be there, especially freedom against discrimination. Freedom against discrimination. Another topic is that security. What is security? We are living in different societies, so we need security from other people. Okay, security from discrimination, security from even theft and all. We should live in a secure society. Security is also an important topic. And the last and the foremost important topic is that respect from others. Okay, we should get, the people should get respect from others. We need or we demand for respect from others. Such societies are called, developed society. If people are not respecting others, or people are not so secure there, or people do not get any freedom, or equal treatment is not given in a country, then such countries cannot be called as a developed country. Okay.